title, My Report on the Rabbit by Ava Dyke. What does your animal look like? My animal is in the mammal group. It has big eyes, big ears, and a short tail. It has whiskers and soft fur, which can be white, brown, and/or black. What is your animal's habitat? How does your animal's habitat help it survive? They live in many different habitats. They live in deserts, swamps, marshes, forests, grassland, and prairies. Rabbits live everywhere except for Antarctica. Rabbits get food, water, shelter, and space. What does your animal eat? Is it predator, prey, or both? Rabbits eat leaves, twigs, and plants. They are prey to eagles, dogs, foxes, raccoons, bobcats, and other larger animals. Interesting fact 1. There are about 25 different species of rabbits. Interesting fact 2. Rabbits have long ears that can be 4 inches long. Video.
Rabbit. Bunny rabbits are so cute. They live on every continent except for Antarctica, although most rabbits live in North America. They live in little tunnels and holes in the ground called burrows. Because they're so fluffy, soft, and friendly, lots of people like to have rabbits as pets. Rabbits' ears can be up to 10 inches long. That's pretty big compared to their small bodies. Their ears can turn in any direction and can be used to hear predators coming or to help manage their body temperatures. Rabbits are herbivores. In the summer, they'll eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables like strawberries and carrots, as well as grass and flowers. In the wintertime, when there are less fruits and vegetables, they can also eat branches and tree bark. Baby rabbits live with their mom for only 2 weeks, and then they're able to live on their own. In the wild, bunny rabbits live around 10 years, and as pets, they can live up to 16 years. Rabbits sleep around 8 hours per day and like to be most active at dawn and dusk. Did you know that a rabbit's teeth never stop growing? Wow! Rabbits like to live with other rabbits in groups called herds. What are rabbits most their hops. A bunny can jump as far as 36 inches and can run about 35 miles per hour. Rabbits are awesome. What's your favorite thing about rabbits? Thanks for watching.
Great job, Ava.
Thanks.